Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix LG portable air conditioner that keep saying AFL, full tank error and reset guide. Fix 1 is empty the water tank. Turn off and unplug the air conditioner, then move it to a place where you can drain the water safely. Then remove the drain plug and let all the water drain out. Reinstall the drain plug tightly and turn the unit back on. Second one is reset the air conditioner. Turn off the unit and unplug it, then wait for 5 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on. Check if the FL message has disappeared. Third one is check the drain plug. Turn off the air conditioner, then make sure the drain plug is fully inserted and selected. Tighten if it is loose, then restart the unit. Fourth one is clean the drain line. Disconnect the drain hose if one is attached. Check for dirt or blockage inside the hose or drain opening. Clean the blockage with warm water. Reconnect everything and test the unit. Fifth one is inspect the float switch. Unplug the air conditioner, then check if the float inside the water tank is stuck. Gently free it if it cannot move properly. Plug the unit back in and test it. Thanks for watching.